Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika. This is Fanika TV. Wanna stop it live now? Or today see me with this. So yeah guys, today I'm gonna be doing me all a step back chop. When I mess up my intro. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel guys if you guys are not already subscribed. Hit those post notification bells so that you guys get notified whenever I post another video. So yeah guys, today I'm going to be making some I'm gonna call it a Malta with oats and milk blended together to make a nice smoothie. Yeah guys, please subscribe, get the channel to 20,000 subscribers, please and thank you. Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh my god, it's blazing. Like, I'm glad for sun and everything, but more like a rain too. We need little rain. Yeah, in Portland we not get no rain for a while. Yeah. So yeah guys, here we are with all the stuff that I'm going to be using and what you need to make this Malta punch, right? So guys, me did have three Malta, but my son drink two, so me end up with one. I'm using Grace instant oats, Surge milk. I use sugar for sweeten, guys, and I have my vanilla and my rosa almond, right? So that is what I'm going to be blending today. Of course guys, you need a blender, right, to blend your stuff in, right? So hey guys, I go wash your guys, the first thing I go add in is some sugar for sweetening. We're adding some sugar. Guys, so I go add the milk. We're gonna add the milk, guys. We're gonna add the milk. We're gonna add the milk. I'm gonna use everything all I do. I'm gonna add the Malta. Malta. Oats. Nah, add all of the oats, guys. There's some oats, vanilla, little tip of almond essence. I'm gonna add a little more milk to it, guys. A little bit more milk. Alright guys. Where's Adria? Wait guys. Yeah, wait guys. I'm going to get some salt. Forgot the salt. Hey guys, I forgot this salt. Hey guys, I forgot this salt.
Put it in our work. I did.
Some this is the end product. It's very smooth, and guess what guys, your children can drink this because it's Malta, you know, it's non-alcoholic, right? So I'm gonna taste it and put the rest to cool. So you guys, I said it nice? Weird. It's nice guys. I don't know if I threw the sugar and the salt and everything going in. It's just well blending. Alright guys, so this is the end of another video guys. Remember to subscribe. Let's get the channel to 20,000 guys. And if you try this drink, please let me know guys, and leave a comment in the comment section. See you guys.